Alright people, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ and welcome to my channel. This is 390 degrees in front of you. So today we have this amazing product with us called as Procus Rush 2.0. So this is an action camera. So we are here to unbox this product today. So before unboxing this product, let me give a small insight on why I specifically chose this product. So when I decided to buy an action camera, my budget was maximum up to 10,000 rupees. Below 10,000 rupees, definitely there are a hell lot of options for you. But none the main intention for buying action camera was for motovlogging. So as you all know, for motovlogging, the important feature is it should have a provision for attaching a external microphone. ಸೊ 10,000 ಯಾವುದೇ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫೋನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, and then I did my homework, and then finally I filtered it down to 4 action cameras. So the first one is Dragon Touch Vision 4K action camera, which is priced at around 5,500 rupees in Amazon. The second one was Noise Play Vlog Edition, which is priced at around 6,000 rupees in Amazon. The third one is Procus Rush 2.0, which is priced at around 7,500 in Amazon. And the last one is SJCam Legend series, so which is around 9,900 rupees in Amazon. So finally, after making a list of all these 4 action cameras, what I did was I started watching the review videos in YouTube. So ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ರಿವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಫೌಂಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎನಿ ಗುಡ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆನ್ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗನ್ ಟಚ್ ವಿಷನ್ 4K camera. So it was like 50-50. So I removed those two from the list. So finally it came down to Procus Rush 2.0 and SJCam. The drawback with SJCam is that the external microphone is not included in the box, so you have to buy it separately, which will cost you another 1,000 rupees extra. So ಆದರೆ ಈ Procus Rush ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, external microphone they have already given it in the box. And also I bought this product from official website of Procus. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7,200 ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ 10% ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 6,500 rupees. So 6,500 rupees for Procus and 10,000 rupees for SJCam. Obviously I went for Procus, and on top of that you get 20 plus accessories in this box. But one problem I felt while ordering this one was that since Bangalore is in red zone, Procus people they told they are not going to deliver it to Bangalore. ಸೊ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ತುಮಕೂರು, ಸೊ ಐ ಟುಕ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್, ಐ ಗೇವ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೆಲಿವರ್ಡ್ ದೇರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಟುಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸೇವ್ 1,000 rupees ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜುಗಾಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ನೌ. ಸೊ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಅಡ್ಯೂ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್. Okay, so inside main box you get these 2 components. So this is the one thing which attracted me towards Procus. So actually along with the camera you get this beautiful box to carry the accessories wherever you go. The quality is very good. It looks premium as well. So idರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, so you have all this sponge, so you can remove this. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಮೋಟ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಲೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಒಂದು ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ Procus. This is I think a warranty card or step-by-step procedure on how to register your product. So let's keep this aside. So this is the main product. It looks like this. So I've already opened the seal. So let's keep this one aside. So I'll show you what and all components are included inside the box. So this is the main camera itself. So you'll get a waterproof casing and one buckle which is already attached to it. So the camera is inside this. Let me open it later. This is a non-waterproof casing for recording the audio. It has an opening here on either side. So this is what I was talking that time. This is the external microphone which they have given along with the camera. This is 2.5 mm jack. I don't know the quality of the audio. so I'll make a separate video about it later. This is one buckle. You get a cloth to clean the camera, a charger head, various mounts like this. So this is the cable which you get along with the camera for charging. So this is a normal USB cable. So this is a curved mount for mounting the camera on your helmet. So this is a skeleton frame. So in case you want to record the audio, so you can't use waterproof casing. In that case you can use the skeleton case, but you can't use it in rain. This is the J mount, very important for mounting it on your helmet. This is a bicycle handle mount. So these are the 4 straps. So you can use these straps to hold on to the remote, which I showed you that time. You get some 2 extra 3M stickers. Again, one more mount. So these are the zip ties. Some 2-3 zip ties you get. So this is a cable which you can use to hold on to the action camera, and a small manual inside the box. So this is the remote which you get with the action camera. This is very helpful. So you can strap this using this strap either to your hand or motorcycle handlebar. So you can use this remote to control the action camera. You can either take a snap, or you can start the recording or pause the recording. So this is very helpful. This is a kind of new mount which they have given. So this can be used when you're buckling the action camera either to your dress or bag or anything. This is a clip kind of thing. So you can use this to directly buckle the action camera to anything. Okay, so let's keep all the accessories aside and let's open the camera. This is the camera. So you can remove it from top here. So this is the main camera itself. This is the look and feel of the camera. It looks okay-ish, not up to the level of GoPro, but better than SJ-Cam SJ4000 which I used previously. So on this is the LCD display. It is not touchscreen. So on one side you have 3-4 slots. One is for recording the audio, that is 2.5mm jack for inserting your external microphone, and this is for charging, and HDMI port is there where you can connect to the TV, and an SD card slot. And this is up and down volume button. You can also use it to navigate within the menu section. This is the main mode button, and this is OK button. So on the bottom we have provision for inserting the battery. So already one battery is included within the camera. So totally you get 2 batteries, one inside the camera and one extra. So that's about unboxing, guys. So I hope I have showed you everything. So if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching the video. This is 390 Degrees signing off.